Hi folks, this is an Empire steam transmission that I've just got done refurbishing. The whole base, with the whole complete transmission, has been entirely disassembled and the base media blasted. All the parts cleaned up or sand blasted or media blasted. The correct rivets were put back in, replacing the originals. And the bottom is completely done as well. Couldn't really find just a transmission alone on YouTube, so I thought I would make a video of this and maybe it would help some restorers out. This is a 5-tiered pulley model. I've seen quite a few variations. Thanks for looking, folks.